learning today the simple future. Okay? Simple future tense. What is that? If there are 4 parts of simple future, now I'm going to discuss a single future tense. Simple future. By that, you can continue your job. What is simple future? Again, I'm coming to the doer. Plus simple verb form. Form number 1, go. I will go. I, the doer, will come, and go is the first form of the verb. By this, you can manage everything in this world. What's simple? The trainers don't give the simple form of expression. I'm giving you. By this future form, you will just give the actions of future. Okay? I will go. I will go to the office. I will work. I will do my assignments. What are you getting new? Only the assignments, verb. I'll work. Will, I. Just be confident. Don't be shaky. There is nothing in spoken. I will work. Just get speed. Okay? This is the form of the simple future. And why I always suggest you the natural form of learning. I'm walking. I'm giving my explanation. I'm walking in my bedroom. You will learn at bedroom. Don't sit with particular moment, particular phase, particular time, books, exercise copies and pencils. Just you walk, learn. Just you cook, you learn. Whatever you are doing, just learning will be side by side, and that is the only process to create an environment of English. Okay? So, grow naturally. Grow, holistically, and learn like me. I'm teaching you. I'm just monitoring you. I'm giving whatever I have got. But you should accept the process. It will not give you stress. What stress? I have to learn. No. While you run, while you work, you learn. So once again, I'm coming to the simple future. You can give every expression of that. I will work, he will go to office. My mom will cook for me. She will come, you will come to my place. See, you will. Don't go for shall or will, because in initial stage, you should not go for correction. There will be mistakes, but you start with mistakes, because mistakes makes a perfect man. Okay? And don't ask me also, ma'am, this will be shall, this will be will. Don't go for complication. I am giving you the easiest process, fastest process to go ahead. Because your time will help you to rectify those English, and I'm always with you in the advanced course. For the beginners, this is the only way to go. Okay? Bye bye, my friends. Have a nice time. Meet you again. Bye.